Today we're going to talk about AI Studio. AI Studio is an AI website builder that is phenomenal, right? So this is my website, and everything you see here, everything was created by AI, by the system. I told it what I wanted it to do. These effects were all just me talking to AI. I mean, you can see how really advanced you can get. I'm going to show you some different examples. But look at this. You got video. Hey, how's it going? My name's Craig Cameron. I am the bots guy. And then you've got book a calendar. This is a calendar inside HighLevel, and it's an actual calendar that works. Someone books an appointment, it will go through, send an email, send a text, do everything you need it to do. And then this is just, you can see, you've got the little thing there. That's pretty cool. And then this I like, so I have answers. So I wanted it to be like stacks. So as you put the different number 3, number 4, number 5, and then testimonials. And I just talk to it. I just tell it, make this move across, make this color, do a before and after. And it's so good. All this is AI, everything. And I built this in a couple hours. Like this would have taken me, a week or longer to build this out. Look at this. You got the FAQs. I mean, it's just incredible. Then you got all these different pages. So I created like the GHL deep dive. You'll see I matched my logo. I just put my logo and I tell it match the colors, and it totally matches it perfect. And I told it put the video, let it play until I hit a button. Like all this stuff before you had to code and it would take forever to do. And now it's just like, it's truly amazing what you can do. So right here is where, you talk to it. So you just would go in here and you would type what you wanted, and then it will just build it over here in real time. So let's go back and let's look at some other pages that I did just so you can see. Okay, this is just an example. I took an existing site. I'll show you. So this is really a really nice looking, Pilates page. And this is just an example. I was showing the client, and I mean, it's so good. And all I did is, if you look over here, this is all I did. Please rebuild this site. It's for a Pilates training company. It needs to look very high-end, professional. Keep the colors and branding and the logo, but make sure you get all the images and text and converting. And then here's the website. And then it did it in like less than 5 minutes. And then I said, can you make the hero look less AI looking, because it had a different effect I didn't like. And then it did it. And then I'm like, simplify the hero into a clean full bleed semantic image. And as you can see here, okay, what's going on here? Okay, so it did that. And then it had a fake logo, so I uploaded the real logo and said replace it with this. Boom, it put that logo in there. Can you make the logo a little bigger? And then, I mean, that's it. The other cool thing is you can make sure that it looks good on mobile. So look at this. It pretty much usually gets, you know, like 90% of looking good on mobile, but sometimes, you know, you have to make some changes. And now what's powerful about this versus building in another builder where you have to do all this crazy stuff, hide this on desktop, hide this and do all this. Here you just say, hey, on mobile, can you do this and that and the other? And can you not, you know, not have this show up? And can you have only this show up? And can you move this in the center when it's on mobile and not in desktop, and just back and forth? And you can do just super, super cool things. Lots, like, you don't even have to be a web designer. You don't need to know programming. You just need to know what you want and be able to explain it, right? Now, once you get the site how you want it, let's just say, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is Squirmy. So you can even build apps inside of here. Like, this is a survey, and you can just go through, and at the end of it, it can do, you know, it can give a result. It can be used as a lead magnet. There's lots of cool things you can do with this. But let me go back to this one. I think my cat opened this up. Okay, Luna. All right. So let's say I'm like, oh, I love this. It's all good. I want to make it live on the internet. All I have to do is go to publish and go to publish. And then you can control the SEO and everything. You can control your share image. And then I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to hit publish. So now it's published, but it doesn't have its own domain. So I'm going to hit publish again, and see how it says add custom domain. All I have to do is type in my domain here. And then if I have GoDaddy, it will just connect automatically. If not, I just go to add manually, and it'll give me the DNS that I need to update. And then it's live, just like that. Let me go back here, just see if there's anything else that I want to show you. I mean, there's so many things you can do. Here's another one. And you just have an idea. You just come up with an idea, and you're just like, and then boom, it's live. It's like, look at this. This animations, you know, look at this. As it comes up, it just does different things. And then look at this. How many leads do you get a month? I'm gonna say 50. Just so you look, real time. My closing rate, I hope it's better than 4%. I'm gonna say 30%. Oops. Oh, I gotta hit number. 30%. And then what's your offer price? How much are you spending on ads? And then it gives me what it is. Like, you're missing 30,000, 18 to 30,000 a month. That's what you're approximately missing. And then this is, you know, over the next 90 days. And then every Instagram DM answer. So we just created different, you know, numbers based on, you know, and then how it works. And then book a call. Boom, again, the calendar that's integrated. So that is AI Studio. It is amazing. Build websites, build funnels, build apps, build just about anything you can think about. So if you want help, if you already have HighLevel, you just need to go into settings, and it's beta right now, so it's in labs. So you got to go into settings, labs, and enable it. If you don't have HighLevel yet, then hit me up. And if you do have HighLevel and you just want help building things out, because there's also automations on the back end. So when someone books a call, or they fill out one of the lead magnets, or they fill out a form, you want to have those automations going. So that's a whole nother thing that we can do. So that's AI Studio, and we'll talk soon.